What's that?
Cheese.
Don't eat all the dough. There won't be any left. What are you doing?
Creamy cookie.
Are you gonna make? Are you gonna make a star? You gonna make a star cookie?
Star cookie.
You're just gonna eat all the dough.
Good.
It's good. Be careful. Make a Christmas tree. Show us how to make a cookie. Or not. You gonna make more cookies? We only have 5.
What?
We only have 5 cookies for Santa. We need more.
But cookie.
Yeah. Alright, let's squish some more.
Squish.
Yes, you did. You're doing a good job. Are you making cookies? What is that? Is that a star?
Yay.
Yay. You like making cookies?
Cookies.
It's hard work, huh? Is that a Christmas star?
Creamy star.
And you have a Christmas tree, huh? Where's your Christmas tree?
Is it creamy tree, huh?
Oh, I think they're done.